All right, hello YouTube. Welcome back to another television sprint video. I'm going to jump into my homebrew library here because I did not make a Brian's Man Cave folder yet, but I'm going to. We're here to talk about Willie's Grand Prix, and you can see on the screen there, it said, let's see if it comes back to it. Thank you for supporting Walk for Dog Guides. Brian's doing an awesome thing. He made this game, which is Willie's Grand Prix. It's Brian's take on Activision's Grand Prix for the Atari 2600. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. It might be off of there if my background might be covering it. Dedicated to Willie Culver of Arcade USA. So he made this, and there are some upgrades and stuff that you can do. So if you look at the control there, the top buttons on the sides are your throttle, the bottom right is your brake, and the bottom left is your jump. You steer with the disc, of course, and then the enter button is to fire. I did play a little bit of this just to check it out, but yeah. So basically, there'll be a link in the description below. But you donate $25 or more to this charity, and then you send an email off to Brian, briansmancave@gmail.com. Sorry, briansmancave@gmail.com. All one word, Brian's Man Cave. And just let him know that you donated and you would like the ROM sent to you on the email that you sent to him. He'll just reply. Mr. Poestyle and I both did this last night during Casey's show, and both within like 15 or 20 minutes, Brian was on Casey's show at the time, and within just a few minutes of him leaving, we both had our copies. So Brian's pretty good about getting it to you. Let me hit enter here and get this thing starting up. And yeah, I'll show you. I just played, like I said, I played just a quick little game so I wouldn't be going into this completely blind. I am completely bad at it, but at least Casey made me feel better because he played on his show last night and he wasn't so good either. He's only played a couple times. Also, how many laps? 1 through 3. There are multiple tracks. I know that. And if you choose 3, you're going to do all of the tracks 3 times. We're going to push 1, and I don't know if I'm going to do all of them, but let's see. So yeah, you speed up. Oh my gosh, I died. I crashed already. I was going fast. See, you can go kind of slow. Makes it easy. You can avoid what you're doing. You're basically, oh, are you kidding me? You're basically pushing up and down on the disc. I'm screwed. If you look at the bottom, you can see it's got how much time you got going on. The 3 there is how many times I've crashed, and the 0, floor it, get there. The green 0 is showing you how many times you've killed an opponent car. Costs you money. Costs $10 a piece for every time you crash, and you earn $10 a piece for every car you crush. When you get done each one, I have $420, so I'm going to go to the shop and I'm going to buy me some jumps. Now I only have $200. I could buy another jump, but I'm not going to. I'm going to exit back out, save my $220, and let's go on to the next race. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Jumped right over. I wasted a jump now because I pushed jump too late. I was going to say I'm a jumping machine, and then I screwed up. Okay, there's no cars when you're at the water, so you can just haul ass. Look at me go. Look at me go. Let us slow down a little because I'm scared. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. I meant to jump and I pushed the throttle, so I just sped up into him. But yeah, you can, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I was going to say, you can jump and land on a car. Woo, dog. I mostly just used the jumps to, oh, I wasted a jump. Oh, I landed before I was trying to land on him. Oh no, oh no, okay, oh no. I pushed throttle again. I pushed the gas instead of jump. I sense a pattern. Oh no. I tried to jump there too. We're hauling ass, we're hauling ass. I'm scared. Oh, I thought I was going to miss him. Oh, no, that was close. 5 crashes, no crush. All right, now let's go ahead. I have 670. That is not enough. What I was wanting to buy is missiles. I need 800. I did not do so good. So, and at some point I might run out of jumps the way I go through jumps. I like to start off kind of slow. Oh, and then I floored it. Oh, come on now. I thought I missed it. Wow, that guy was... Oh, and then I pushed jump while I was exploding. That guy came flying back at me. Okay, let's go up around those. Ah, dang it. Okay, I need to go faster than this, because this is not good. I floored it at the end there. I only died 3 times. That's good. Oh no, I pushed. Dang it. Well, I guess we're going to this one. I pushed 1 thinking to skip, and it put me on. Nice. Wasted jump. Wasted jump. Yeah, because you can shoot those question marks and get other stuff. Ah, dang it, wasted a jump again. I don't know how many jumps I have. Used the jump there. I'm hauling ass. I'm just going to jump whatever. I don't have to jump that. Oh, I thought I was going to land on it. Oh, come on, I jumped. Come on. Oh, I thought I was going to land on him too. No cars, there must be water coming. Oh, look at that. I was right in the middle. Oh. Land on. Oof. I'm going to run out of jumps. Oh, I thought I missed him. Oh, jeez. 5 deaths. Floor it. Okay, I'm not pushing the thing this time. Shop 2. Missiles cost $800. How much money did I have? I didn't even pay attention. I'm going to buy missiles. I don't know how many jumps I have. Let's see. Can I check my inventory? I have 18 jumps. Slicks will let you go through the oil slicks, and hover, I think, makes you float for a while. And okay, I still have 940. Now we're going to do the next race. Let's go. So let's see, I'm going to go slow because I want to miss one of those question marks. Oh, look at that. There's a water. I think hover makes it so you don't have to worry about the water. That's what it is. Oh, come on. I launched a missile accidentally. Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at this. Let's see if I can fire a missile. I got 2 cars there. Nice. Got a second car there too. Oh, I got 3 that time. Only got 1. Ooh, almost got wet. All right, here we go. Oh, I was nervous. Oh, I gotta get away from the water. I don't have a hover. Oh, it came back at me. I didn't win anything there. Oh, the missile missed. Oh, the missile missed him too. I'm going through some missiles. Am I out? I might be out of missiles. I just tried to fire a missile and nothing happened. Oh, this is probably dumb. Oh. I did crush 9 cars, so that's cool. Let's see my inventory. Yeah, I ran out of missiles. I got $1,600. Let's shop. Well, yeah, see if I buy missiles. Now I only have $800. I can't buy the hover, which would make it so I don't have to worry about the water. I'm going to buy more missiles, though. Okay, let's go. Oh, I don't have enough money? Oh, I thought I had $1,600. All right, well, all right. Oh, I guess I hit it twice. What do I have? 20 missiles. Okay, yeah. All right, next race. Here we go. Full speed ahead. Papa Willie. We're going to use me some missiles. Oh! I think I got credit for the kill also. Look at that. I got 3 in that one. Oh, I'm getting way better at this game. I'm an awesome driver, apparently. Let's stay down here. Ah. Dang it. Oh, I'm hovering. Look at me go. Or I'm flying. Okay, land. Ah, I got 2 kills. Oh, it come back at me. Came back at me. Oh, look at there. Oh, no. Look at all those crushed cars I got. 22. I made it as I was crashing. Look at that. Almost exactly 5 minutes. Press enter. There you go. That's a complete round. I did it in almost 5 minutes. That's all right. Of drive time. The video's longer than that. So, all right. There you go. Thanks for watching. And I push the disc. It would go back to the start. I have the right mod, so I can do this and go back to the main Brian's Man Cave. He's the man. So, again, I'll put the link in the description where you can go and donate. It is for a good cause. The money goes towards getting guide dogs and stuff for people who can't afford it. So, yeah, it's an awesome thing. It's $25, and I think it's $25 Canadian too. So it's probably a little cheaper American. So I did a $25 donation. Mr. Poestyle did. I saw Casey did a $50 donation. Papa Pete I saw on there. He did a $25 donation. So that's awesome. So go support that. You get a cool game. I like it. I really do like this game. I'm not great at it, but I'm getting better. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!